stronghold? Is that the genre that you shine brightest in?
Maybe, because I think that is something that the audiences will tell me. I really enjoy doing every single thing that I do. I haven't, luckily, unfortunately, been in a position where I was doing a part or acting and I said कि यार ये मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है and maybe ये गलत कर लिया मैंने, या I'm not able to do this. I've really enjoyed doing everything, but like I said, it's the audiences who will tell me what they really enjoy watching me in, and the critics. And I have to say, I feel very fortunate that whether it's a Malang or a Abhay or then a Loot Case, and all of them happening in the same year, it's never been that, why did he do this? He's better at that. Thank God, fingers crossed, and I really want to keep doing that.
Yeah.
But yes, comedy I also feel is something that you can watch whenever. Even when we watch shows on TV, even if it's a Game of Thrones, you have to like really find time and space to watch it because you need the bandwidth. It's serious, or anything in drama. Whereas a Friends or a Family Guy or a Simpsons or a Two and a Half Men, you can just turn it on anytime and you will enjoy watching it because comedies are like that, right? So I think I'm very lucky that I've managed to find my niche in comedy. So I mean, I know that a lot of times I get said that he's very dependable when it comes to comedy, and I think I've earned that, and I'm very happy that I have, because comedy is probably one of the toughest things to do, because I don't think you can there'll be a midway to comedy. You're either good at it or you're not. There is no mid ground. Otherwise it's like, oh, he's trying too hard but it's not working.
Because you are a writer, you do write sometimes. You have written Go Goa Gone, which I absolutely enjoyed. I don't know when's the second one coming, but it is one of my all-time favorite films. Like, I can watch it any day. Does the writer in you ever step in when you're acting on set, when especially when the process is like this?
Yeah, of course it does. And I'm saying but I'm also aware of the fact that I'm allowed to give suggestions, but I truly believe that the director eventually becomes the captain of the ship. So I've always believed in having a healthy dialogue, whether it's with my writer or the director, and understanding, because it's not necessarily that he's right or I'm right. Because like I said, it's still a process. We're still building this. And if it hits the right spot, then like I said, my director gave me that free will to say that, okay, whatever you feel like doing when you open the bag. And I decided to cry, and it worked. And that's where it went. Similarly, in comedies, a lot of times we ad-lib. Or we'll add a line. And like I said, when you're working with an actor and the chemistry is working and the props are working and you're feeling a certain way, you a lot of times ad-lib. So similarly, I discuss whatever I feel is right or wrong, but most of that happens before we go to set. And like I said, always the final authority or the stamp on that has to be of the director.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.